What's going on, everyone? Today's the 20th of January, 2023. Let's talk about Tesla real quick. So you guys can see on the chart in front of you that I didn't do a price prediction in Tesla. I wanted to wait to see what Wall Street is up to, what the smart money is trying to do in terms of their own cash, their own assets that they manage. I wanted to see whether or not they think Tesla's going to continue to go up. Now, I did the video on the 13th of January. And this is where price was at that particular moment. Okay. Now, I told you all that we needed to see the price in Tesla break $125, and it did the last 3 days. Even price in Tesla following January the 7th and yesterday has supported $125. So that tells me that buyers are still in this spot. They're still willing to buy Tesla at that price, which means that there's still some probability and seeing price go up. It's just that simple. Okay. So let's look at this on the weekly chart first, since today's the last day of the trading week. And again, let's not get it twisted. Even though we see buyers propping up Tesla at $125, there's still selling coming in. There's still some people into the market at Tesla trying to sell this stock. So this is the hurdle. The weekly chart has already confirmed to us what the buyers are up against. They're up against this downtrend. That's it. Okay. So if the market doesn't break the downtrend, don't get afraid. Don't be nervous. Don't be emotional. You already know the reason why. It's because sellers are going to push down the price right there around this downtrend. Now, 2 weeks. Same price bar. 3 weeks. So we have 8 hours and 57 minutes left in Tesla before this current 3-weekly price bar ends. Now let's break down this price bar. What do you think actually happened over the last 3 weeks in trading? We do admit it was very volatile in the market in Tesla. We saw price come all the way down to $100 and trade as high as $140 in the last 3 weeks. The volume definitely is coming through in Tesla. We haven't seen this much volume come in Tesla ever since the 3-weekly price bar of December the 7th, 2020. It's almost been 3 years since we've seen this much volume, this much activity come into Tesla. Now, in the next 8 hours and 57 minutes left, you got to give me some leeway. You got to give me some room to move. But if I see the price in Tesla on the conclusion of the 3-weekly price bar close up here at the high, I'm going to maintain some bullishness on the stock, and I'm going to look for the price to trend higher. It's just that simple. But I got 8 hours though, and a lot can happen in the stock market in 8 hours. But I really want to see the market close at the high of this 3-weekly price bar at the conclusion. Let's see if it's going to do it. Okay. Now let's go ahead and break this down to the 5-day chart. Right here on this 5-day price bar here tells me that the market is still bullish. This is just a resistance point. So the buyers are currently in the process of taking out the sellers around 136. All right. They're in that process now. It's anyone's guess if they will be successful. Okay, so we're going to identify where the sellers are at right there. Here it is on the 3-day chart. Okay, right there. This tells me that sellers are still here in the market in Tesla. This is where the crossroads or the bullseye currently lies that the buyers have to take out. Right here. Okay. 2-day chart. Daily. Let's look at this on the hourly chart real quick. Okay, because actually I do suspect that price in Tesla is still on the upward trend. It just has to take out $135, maybe $137. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play some strength into the market in Tesla, albeit I am not going to be massively bullish. Okay, we got some areas that we need to see price go above in order for us to be massively bullish. Like for us to see this price break this downtrend line, right? we need to see the market in Tesla break these areas here. Okay, so I'm looking at 132 first, and then 137 second. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like. So 132.50. It's about 2.5% market move higher. That would have to be my first price target. That's my first price target, 132.50. Second one's gonna be at 137. That's around 6% move to the upside in Tesla there. So let me push this back over to the daily chart so we can see what's really going on. So we got 132.50, 137. Okay. So let me go ahead and get rid of that downtrend line because I want us to focus on this trading zone that I think the market Tesla is actually trading in. So now this is it right there. Okay. Looking for the price action in Tesla to continue to trend higher, albeit I am not that bullish yet. I want us to see price continue to trend higher, for the buyers to continue to hold $125 as support. And once that continues, then I can definitely see price in Tesla trying to hit that $150 area. Okay, but not right now. Something that you had to keep your eyes open on for, though. So what I'm going to do, let me extend it out to February. All right, so give me your thoughts. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.